Okay, welcome to the video where we are going to see some tips which will help us aims. So there are four simple tricks that I have shortlisted. You can follow any one of them. First one is you can remember the mnemonics, cubes or ride star or grass or pies. Let's see the full forms of each. Cubes. So C stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underlining the specific question, identifying the specific thing that you have to find. B is box in, that is, you are highlighting the action words. It can be sum, it can be difference, or it can be of a given quantity. Okay, so highlighting the keyword is nothing but B, that is boxing it. E is evaluating whatever you have highlighted and underlined, which will help you analyze how to solve. And S, of course, solving and arriving at the final answer. Next is write star. So R is, first of all, you need to read the problem. Once you have read the problem, it's important to identify what is given in the question. Then based on what is given, you can determine what operation has to be used, and of course also highlighting the unit, because at the end of the solution, unit also has to be written. Then E stands for enter the numbers and calculate, which means by using a specific formula you're going to substitute the numbers and calculate. Now S is nothing but searching the missing part, that is trying to find out what they are actually asking in the question. So missing part refers to what has to be calculated. And once you're done that, you're translating it into a equation. This is mostly suitable for linear equation or algebra based questions. And once the equation is translated, you will be able to answer to the point, that is by solving the equation, and then you're arriving at the solution. Once you arrive at the solution, it's very important to review it. That is why R stands for review, because once you find the answer, especially in equation based question, it's important for you to check whether it is matching to the given equation. Then you have something interesting, grass. So G stands for given data. Always for a given question, identifying the given data helps us a lot. So first write down whatever is given, then analyze the given data, as in what is given, whether the length is given, the breadth is given. So do we have to find the height? That, I just gave an example, it could be anything. A refers to analyze to decide the correct formula to be used. That is, based on the given data and based on what is missing, you need to decide the formula to be used. Then of course use the formula and find the solution. Once the solution is done, you need to write the final statement along with the final answer. The final one is pies. P stands for a drawing the image for a given question. So some questions, they may require you to draw the figure to understand what is given and what is being asked. Especially this applies for 3D figures or surface area volume questions. Then I stands for information to be written. So once you have drawn the figure, it becomes very easy to write the information or given data on the figure drawn. Then based on this, you can write your equation easily, or you can frame the equation. And once the equation is ready, you will be able to understand what formula to use and how it has to be solved. So I hope this helps you, and I hope you're able to use them as per the question given. So see you all, have a nice